Hi guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand for sending this over to me to share with y'all. So this is a toenail fungus treatment, extra strength pen. Let me show it to you up close. And the thing I really like about this is how convenient it is. It can be used both on fingernails and toenails. So whether you're dealing with issues on your toes or your hands, you're not needing separate products, which makes this really convenient. This treatment is designed to address multiple nail concerns, especially things like discoloration or thickening and brittleness, which I know can make nails look unhealthy and feel like they're hard to manage. So I really like this pen style applicator because I think it makes the application process a lot easier and cleaner, and you get a really targeted approach. So I'm going to open it up to show you what it looks like. You're able to apply it right where you need it without making a mess. So let me show you up really close. I think that's a huge plus compared to some products which you end up creating a bigger mess and wasted products. So this is very targeted, and I really like that. This does come with a total of 4 pens, so you're getting enough product to extend your treatment, and it makes it really practical to keep up with your treatment routine. Since the pens are compact and easy to use, they're also really convenient to take with you. So let me show you close up. So I'm just going to show you close up what the pen looks like. This is an actual brush, so you can see the really nice, super soft bristles. Once you crank this up, the treatment will come out the end, and then you would simply brush it on your nails. Overall, this seems like a really easy option for anyone that's wanting a simple, mess-free nail care treatment that's convenient to use consistently.